The romantic era of the coder is over. For decades, we measured skill by how fast you could type syntax and memorize libraries. But today, that knowledge is no longer an asset. It's a commodity. Let's be honest, AI isn't perfect. It makes mistakes, but it doesn't get tired and it doesn't get writer's block. The junior developer role, writing boilerplate, fixing basic bugs, looking up documentation, is being automated away. Tools like GitHub Copilot aren't replacing developers. They are removing the friction of typing. The truth isn't that AI writes better code than you. The truth is that it iterates 10 times faster than you. It handles the mundane. This frees you to stop focusing on the syntax and start focusing on the solution. While you are debating the best way to write a function, the AI has already drafted 3 versions for you to choose from. So, if the AI handles the typing, what is left for you? Systems thinking, architecture, design. The market no longer pays for code monkeys. It pays for problem solvers. This is the sovereign developer. Someone who understands that AI is a lever, not a replacement. You don't need a team of 10 anymore. With these tools, one person can build what used to require an entire department. The future developer isn't a typist. They are an architect of intelligence. The bar has been raised. If you want to survive the transition, you need to understand the systems behind the future. Subscribe to Novarion Media Hub. Stop coding, start building.